Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your English grammar class. Today we will discuss about articles. Articles is the chapter 4 in your book. In this chapter you will come to know about articles. In articles you will learn about indefinite articles, definite articles, repetition of articles, omission of articles. But in today's class, we'll learn about indefinite articles and definite articles. Introduction. Articles. The word a and the are called articles. The word a and the are called articles. A and an are called indefinite articles. A and are called indefinite articles, whereas the is the definite article. The article the is called definite because it refers to a specific person or thing. Specific person or thing means the particular person or thing. So, the definite article the is used with the particular person or thing. We will understand that with these examples. First, give me the chocolate chip cookies. Give me the chocolate chip cookies. In this sentence, thing is chocolate. What is the thing? Chocolate. As I have told, the definite article is used with the particular person or thing. So here in this sentence, give me the chocolate chip cookies. This is the definite article. How it is definite article? Because here we are talking about that particular chocolate chip cookies. Chocolate chip cookies is the thing, and I want that chocolate chip cookies, that particular chocolate chip cookies which is here. Okay, so here the article the is used, which is the definite article. Give me a cookie please. Give me a cookie please. This is indefinite article. Here cookie is indefinite. How? Because I want any one cookie from this plate. Any one cookie. I am not asking for the particular that chocolate chip cookie only. Okay. I am asking that give me any one of it. So that is why here I have used a. Okay. A cookie. Any cookie. Okay. Not that particular one. But when we say the chocolate chip cookie, means that particular thing we want. A, was, an. A, was, an. A, an. This is indefinite articles. That is not used for the specific person. Not specific, not for the particular person or thing. A, an is not used for any particular person or thing. That's why it comes under indefinite articles. Example, he is a teacher. He is a teacher. This person is a teacher. I am not asking about any particular teacher. That's why here a is used. The article an is used before singular countable nouns which begin with vowel sound. Remember children, the article an is used before singular countable nouns that we can count. What are the countable nouns? What are the singular? That you should know. Singular are when we are talking about one thing. Countable are which we can count, like pencils, books, whereas milk, water are uncountable nouns. and which begin with vowel sound. The word should begin with vowel sound. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. So it should be begin, the sentence should begin, the word should begin with the vowel sound. With the vowel sound. With the sound of A. A sounds A. E, I, O, U. Let's learn with this example. That is an excellent book. As I have told, A means A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. This word excellent, excellent, it starts with E. That's why here we have used an before the word. An is what, children? An is indefinite article. But we have studied a and an, both are the indefinite articles. But an is used with the word which began with the vowel sound. As here, excellent word began with the vowel sound E. That's why here we had used an. Look, one more example. Do you live in a big house? Here we have used a. Do you know why? Because B is the consonant. Leaving A, E, I, O, U, remaining alphabets, remaining English letters are consonant. B is the consonant. That's why we had used here indefinite article a. Do you live in a big house? This is your book page. Here we will learn some rules where we use a and articles. First, before a singular countable noun. Before a singular countable noun. As I have told, what are the countable nouns? Like pencil, flower, book, which we can count. That are the countable nouns. When it refers to no particular person or thing. For example, no particular. We are not talking about that particular car. Just see the example. I have a car. We are talking about any car. I have a car. I am not telling that I have a Maruti Suzuki. Okay, that is the particular. So I have to say I have that car. That is the particular car. Here I am talking I have a car. I have any car. One car. Here a refers one. A refers one. Second, the computer is a machine. The computer is a machine. That is one machine. Okay. She is an advocate. She is an advocate. Here we have used indefinite article an. Do you know why, children? Because advocate, it sounds a vowel sound. A. Advocate. Advocate. So that is the vowel sound. That's why we had used article, indefinite article and here. Look, second rule. Before a singular noun which represents its whole class or species, for example, a student should be disciplined. Here, a student. Student refers to whole class. Student means whole class children. So here, before a singular noun, student is a noun, that is a singular noun and represents its whole class. Student refers to whole class. A species, species means like a pet. Pet refers to a species. Okay, a pet should be taken care of. So here species is pet. So we use a before a singular noun which represents its whole class or species. Third, to mean one. For example, the car ran at the speed of 60 kilometers an hour. Here, and refers to one. And means one. R. You will say teacher, here this word H, it starts with H, which is the consonant. But children, H is the consonant, but it sounds R, ah. It sounds ah, and ah is the vowel sound. That's why here we have used an hour, an hour. It is not hour, it is hour. Clear? Second example, I own a cat and 3 dogs. Here a refers to one as it is given in the rule to mean one. So I own a cat. We are talking about one cat and 3 dogs. Fourth rule, to indicate membership of a group. For example, he is a teacher. Teacher is a group. So here a is used before the teacher, and teacher indicates it refers to a membership of a group of teachers. Brian is a gone. Richard is a practicing Buddhist. So here refers to a gone. It refers to a particular membership of a group. Gone is the group. Okay. Practicing Buddhist. That is the Buddhist is the group. Clear? Fourth, before phrase of time and measurements. For example, I go on holiday twice a week. Here, week is the telling about the time. So, we use indefinite article before phrases of time and measurements. So, here time, week refers to time, and we have used the article a because W is the consonant sound. Okay. Second, tomatoes are rupees 100 a kilo. A kilo, kilo, means that is the measurement that we are measuring the weight of tomatoes. So that is a kilo. Third, our car can go at the speed of 220 kilometer an hour. So children, you know why we have used here an hour, because it refers to the time. Clear? So here one notes are given. The articles a is used before a noun that starts with a consonant sound. So children, give importance to the word sound. The sound should be consonant. Okay? It is not necessary the letter or alphabet should be consonant. The sound should be consonant. The article an is used before a noun that start with a vowel sound. So sound should be vowel. For example, a European, a European. So here U, Y, it starts with Y. The sound is Y, European. See, the sound is not E, the sound is what? Y, European. Okay, that's why here we had used the indefinite article a. Clear? As I have told, an is used with the vowel sound. So you can have doubt that teacher, why here E is there? E is the vowel. So why we have used indefinite article a? That's why I am just telling you that European, this is U. It starts with the consonant sound. That's why there a is used. Clear? Now look second, an unusual problem. An unusual problem. Un. So that is the un. Un means it starts with U is there. So sure that is the vowel. So we have used an before unusual. Third, an MBA. Third, an MBA. M. M. See, the sound starts with a. MBA. So when we write M, that is a. M. MBA. Okay. So it sounds with a. That's why here article an is used. Indefinite article an is used. Fourth, a usual day. A usual. U. It starts with U. That's why here a is used. Okay. Fourth, an honorable job. Honorable, honorable. So it starts with O, honorable, not honorable. That is wrong to say. That's why here an indefinite article is used. Is it clear, children? So I hope that thing is clear to you and you will not commit the mistake there. Now look at the next page. Here I have explained everything. Now we'll come to know about the definite articles. What is definite article? The definite article is refers to specific. Specific means particular person or thing. Use the when talking about something which is already known to the listener or which has been previously mentioned, introduced or discussed. Let me explain this sentence to you. Use the when talking about something which is already known to the listener. Here you are the listener, children. You are the listener. I am telling you and you are listening me. So you are the listener. So you already know. If you know something already it is known to you or which has been previously mentioned and which is already told to you, introduced you or discussed with you. That is the where we use the article the. Where we use the article the. Understood? This is the definite article. The is the definite article. Now see with this example. I have a cat. I have a cat. Here we have used a, that is indefinite article. Isn't it, children? So you already know about the cat. You already know about the cat. As I have discussed in the previous page, this is the previous page where you come to know about that which is already known to the listener or which has been previously mentioned. So I have a cat, that is previously, that is already mentioned in the sentence that I have a cat. Okay. So there we use article the. Look, I have a cat. So that is already mentioned. The cat is black. The is what, children? The is the definite article. Okay, and what we have used? The here. What we have used? The. Okay, that is because about the cat you already know that you have a cat. Here it is already mentioned. Then what we are telling about that cat, we are talking about that particular cat, that is a specific cat. So that is the cat is black. There is a book in my backpack. This is bag, that is your backpack. So there is a book, there is a book in my backpack. So already we are mentioning about the book. Okay. Now we will use here article the, which is definite article. The book is very heavy. That particular book which is in my bag. We are talking about that specific book which is in my bag. That is very heavy. That's why we have used here article the, which is what, children? Definite article. One more example is here. Do you know where I left the car key? So here we are talking about that particular car key, my car key. So that's why here we have used the. Particular, specific means same. We are talking about that particular thing. Let's discuss the book page. Here are 12 rules to identify the definite articles or to use the definite articles. First, before a noun that is one of its kind. For example, the Pope might visit India. So here Pope is the noun and we are talking about that particular noun. We are talking about that particular Pope who will come to India. That's why here the is used. The moon is very bright tonight. We are talking about that particular moon which is very bright today. So the is used. Second, before a noun when we have already mentioned it. Before a noun, as I have told some examples, which already mentioned in this sentence, a boy fell from a mango tree. Already we are mentioning about the boy who fell from the mango tree. Then what you have to use? You have to use definite article. The boy was taken to a nearby hospital. So which boy? Who fell from the tree. That's why we have used here definite article the. Third, before a noun which is made definite by using a qualifying phrase or clause. Before a noun which is made definite by using qualifying phrase or clause. You have learnt about phrase and clause, that are the short sentence. So here the boy in the corner is my brother. So here we are talking about that particular boy who is standing in the corner. And who is that boy? That is my brother. That's why the is used. The child in red is very cute. The child. We are not talking about a child. We are talking about that particular child who is wearing red dress, and he is very cute. Third, this is the place where we first met. Which place? That particular place. So you have to remember the is used with the specific thing, that is particular thing. Specific, particular means same. Now look some more rules for the definite articles. He went to Parisian. He went to Parisian. That is something gone wrong here, children. So we'll go back. Before a noun which becomes definite because both the speaker and the listener are familiar with it. For example, they are playing in the lawn. So here we have studied before a noun which becomes definite because both the speaker and the listener are familiar. Familiar means they know about it, with it. They are playing the lawn. We know about that lawn where the children are playing. That's why we have used the article the. Mother is in the kitchen. So you know about which kitchen. So that is the particular kitchen where your mother is. So here the article the is used. Fifth, before ordinal. Ordinal numbers, you know children, first, second, third, fourth, that are the ordinal numbers. And superlatives. Superlatives, you know, like example I am telling, like uh, good, better, best. Best is the superlative form. Comparative form you have studied. So before ordinal numbers and superlatives, also before same and only. For example, I accepted the first offer. First is what, children? Ordinal number. That's why the is used. Second, I read the same book that you read. So same, before same, as we have studied the rule, also before same and only. For the only one thing and for the same thing also we use the. Clear? Sixth, to represent a whole class of animals or things. For example, here the is representing that whole cow. The cow gives us milk. So it is represent this, the is representing the whole cows. Okay. The camel rarely drinks water. So it is representing all camels. So there also we use indefinite definite article the. Seventh, before an adjective of quality to represent category of people. For example, the brave. Brave is the adjective. Okay. So before adjective of quality, which type of adjective that is? Quality. It shows the quality of person. So before an adjective of quality to represent a category of people. For example, the brave are admired. Second, the rich should have the poor. So here rich is the adjective and it represents a category of people. It is representing that which category of people, that people are rich. So should have the poor, and this is the category of poor people. So there also we use the article the, which is definite article. This is eighth. Before the names of seas, rivers, oceans, groups of islands, deserts, ranges of mountains, gulfs and bays, poles, etc. For example, the Red Sea. Before, name of seas, rivers, oceans, groups of islands. So the Red Sea, that is the name of sea. The Ganga River, river name. The Pacific Ocean, that is the name of ocean. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands, that is the name of islands. The Sahara Desert, the Himalayas, the Bay of Bengal, the Gulf of Mexico, the North Pole. So before the name of seas, river also we use definite article the. Ninth, before names of countries that have the words United or Republic in them or have plural names. For example, the United States of America, the Philippines, that is Philippines is plural name. The Netherlands, that is S is added no, so that is plural. The Republic of, what is that? The Republic of Seychelles. Seychelles. So these all are the where we use the article the. 10th, before the name of few important books, magazines and newspaper, for example, name of the books, the Bible, the Mail Today, the Vedas, the Quran, the Hindu Times, that is the newspaper name. Then last is before musical instrument, for example, he plays the tabla. That is the particular instrument tabla that boy plays. That's why before the musical instruments also the is used. This is Diti plays the flute beautifully. So Diti, what she is playing, that particular instrument, musical instrument, flute. So for today, this is your class is over, children, and you have to learn all the rules of indefinite articles and definite articles. That is your homework, and try to find out the answers of given question. Thank you, children.